Hi everyone, welcome to Marvelsoft SchoolAdminCE. In this video, we will guide you on how to configure the exam settings for a consolidated report card. We will walk you through the step-by-step process to ensure an accurate display of marks in the report card. Now go through the consolidated report card. There are 4 tests in the report card. There are 4 term exams in the report, and the number of exams is 5. To configure the exam settings for a consolidated report card, go to the grading system in SchoolAdminCE. Now, click on the exam configuration option. Next, click on the Add button to add the exam settings. In the configuration menu, locate the test name field and enter the desired name like FA Formative Assessment. Then, in the number of tests field, select the test number such as 4. Also, enter the desired term name, for example, SA Summative Assessment. Then, in the number of terms field, select the term number such as 4. Select the classes for which you want to apply these settings. In the consolidated report card naming, rename it as Consolidated Report Card, then click on Update. Let's now move on to the Exam 1 menu. In this menu, you can see the current configuration of the report card. Notice that in the half-yearly total column, we use the Exam 1 variable to display Exam 1 marks. If you want to display the total marks of all formative assessments or tests in the half-yearly total column, follow these steps. For test %1, 2, 3, and 4, set them to 100%. Now, let's proceed to the Exam 2 menu. You can see the current configuration of the report card. In the semi-annual total column, Exam 2 marks are currently displayed. To show the total marks of both Term 1 and Term 2 in the semi-annual total column, follow these steps. Set Term %1 and 2 to 100%. Let's move on to the Exam 3 menu. See the current configuration of the report card. In the yearly total column, Exam 3 marks are currently displayed. If you want to include all test marks, test %1, 2, 3, and 4, and both Term 1 and Term 2 marks in the yearly total column, follow these steps. Set test %1, 2, 3, and 4, and Term %1 and 2 to 100%. Now, let's proceed to the Exam 4 menu. See the current configuration of the report card. In the yearly subject total column, Exam 4 marks are currently displayed. If you want to include Term 3 and Term 4 marks in the yearly subject total column, follow these steps. Set Term 3 and 4 values to 100%. Lastly, let's configure the Exam 5 menu. See the current configuration of the report card. In the yearly subject total column, Exam 5 marks are currently displayed. If you want to include test %1, 2, 3, and 4 marks, along with term %1, 2, 3, and 4 marks in the yearly subject total column, follow these steps. Set test %1, 2, 3, and 4, and term 1, 2, 3, and 4 values to 100%. Then click on the Update button to save the settings. Now I will explain to you how the ODT script variables work in SchoolAdmin software. These variables are essential for displaying various information in the report card template. Let's get started. In our consolidated report card, the header row is used to display school details and student photos. We utilize different variables to display student details in various sections of the report card. For List 1 subjects, we use specific variables to display subject marks. Similarly, for list 2, list 3, and so on, we have separate variables to display subject marks. The school name and student details variables are scalar variables in the upper set of variables. They represent single values. Next, let's discuss the variables used for the result section of the report card. We have different types of result variables. One, $f result variable for pass-fail. This variable automatically calculates the result as pass or fail based on the student's marks. If the student obtains less than the passing marks, the result will be marked as a fail. 2, $fp result variable for promoted not promoted. This variable calculates the result as promoted for the passed student and not promoted if the student fails to achieve the passing marks. 3, $d result variable for passed blank note text for fail. This variable displays passed for students who have passed and leaves the space blank for students who have failed. Now, let's see how these variables work in the SchoolAdminCE software. To access the report card template, navigate to the newly installed folder. Go to Services and double-click on the SchoolAdmin server. Here, you can find the executable location, which represents the software installed path. The report card is located in the following path. Here search for the file named Consolidated Report Card.odt. Once you find it, copy the file to your desktop. Before opening the file, make sure you have installed OpenOffice software for editing the report card. Once installed, double-click on the Consolidated Report Card.odt file to open it in OpenOffice. Locate the result column in the report card template. If you want to display pass for passed students and fail for failed students, use the variable $f result. Save the file and replace it in the software folder. Then, generate the report in the SchoolAdmin software by clicking on the Consolidated Student Report Card menu. Select the desired class and section and click on the PDF button to generate the report cards. The passed and failed student report cards will be displayed. If you prefer to display promoted for passed students and not promoted for failed students, use the variable $result. Save the file and replace it in the software folder. Generate the report cards again, and you will now see the promoted and not promoted student report cards. If you want to display past for past students and leave the space blank for failed students, utilize the variable $D result. Save the file, replace it in the software folder, and generate the report cards. The past and failed student report cards will now reflect this. If you wish to include any custom remarks for students in the report card, use the variable $principal term for remarks. Save the file, replace it in the software folder, and enter the remarks in the student exam remarks column. To do this, go to the result comments menu, add the required comments here. Now go to the student exam remarks menu, select the class, section and term 4 and filter the results. Add the remarks for the students. Finally, generate the report cards again, and you will see the student remarks report cards. That's it. You have now witnessed how the ODT script variables work in the SchoolAdminCE software. By utilizing these variables and customizing the report card template, you can generate accurate and detailed report cards for all your students. We hope this video has helped guide you through the process. If you have any further questions, please feel free to ask in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more SchoolAdminCE tutorials and updates.